Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need site owner or edit permissions and the Outlook calendar or Office 365 group ready. Once done, open the Sharepoint site and edit or create a modern page where the calendar should appear. Make sure site features support web parts and that you're signed into the same Microsoft 365 account in both Outlook and Sharepoint. This alignment avoids access prompts later. Now, save the page as draft so you can add the calendar web part in the next step without losing. Edit the page and click the plus to insert a web part. Choose Group Calendar for Office 365 groups or events if you're surfacing an Exchange/Outlook calendar. Once added, pick the specific mailbox or group calendar and configure display options like month, week, or agenda. Make sure to set audience visibility and link behavior because permissions follow the calendar source. If the web part cannot find the calendar, double-check that the group mailbox is shared with the site or that you have delegated access in Outlook. When configured, publish the page and immediately verify the calendar loads and responds across browsers and devices. Then test by adding or editing an event to confirm right access, and that changes sync back to Outlook. If something fails, make sure the calendar's sharing settings and site permissions match. Clear browser cache and sign out /in to force token refresh. As a final step, remove and re-add the web part to reset its connection. That single troubleshooting tip, recheck permissions first, solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.